Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sinwan and I'll tell you today about production technology of cucumber. The name of my course teacher is Dr. Tanveer Hussain. First of all, I'll tell you about the introduction of cucumber. Cucumbers are used as salad and for pickling. The fruits are also consumed raw. Tender leaves are also used as vegetables. It is the second most widely cultivated cucumbers after watermelon. In temperate countries, it is extensively grown in glasshouse. The fruit and seed possesses cooling properties. The seed oil is used as antipyretic. Fruits are good for people suffering from constipation, jaundice, and indigestion. Immature fruits are consumed as salad and sell at a premium price in off-season. Fruits vary in shape, size, color, and are considered nutritious. They contain 0.4% protein, 2.5% CHO, 1.5 mg iron, 2 mg vitamin C, and are of 100 gram fresh weight. Now I shall tell you about soil and climate requirements of cucumber. Cucumbers prefer light textured soils that are well drained, high in organic matter, and have a pH of 6 to 6.8. Adapted to a wide range of soils but will produce early in sandy soils. Cucumbers are fairly tolerant to acid soils down to pH 5.5. Greenhouse cucumbers generally grow well in a range of soil pH 5.5 to 7.5, but a pH of 6 to 6.5 for mineral soils and a pH of 5 to 5.5 for organic soils are generally accepted as optimum. Now I shall discuss irrigation techniques of cucumber. Drip irrigation in line lateral lines may be installed in the middle of beds. Distance between two drippers 30 cm and its discharge rate 2 liter per hour. Diameter of riser is 16 mm. Fertilizer management. Cucumber has a high nutrient requirement and grows rapidly when supplied with sufficient nutrients. Normally 200 nitrogen ratio 125, phosphorus ratio 125, potassium kg per hectare. As per VNMKV recommended 100 nitrogen ratio 50, potassium ratio 50, phosphorus kg per hectare. Cultural practices. Training and pruning. Basic principle in developing training system is to uniformly maximize the leaf interception of sunlight throughout the house. Staking in cucumber has been found to be very effective in getting maximum yield and better quality of fruits. Types of training. Single stem training, umbrella system, V system. Pruning. Pruning improves fruit yield and quality. As the plant grows up the string, remove all the little buds up to the sixth node, a node being where a leaf joins the system. Pruning the little buds allows the plant to become large enough to support continued healthy fruit development. In addition to the little buds, all the fruit should also be removed up to this point. Now I shall tell you about some different cultivars of cucumber. Number 1. Pusa seedless cucumber 6. Pusa Sanyong, Pusa Uday, Straight 8, Japanese Long Green, Kalyanpur Green, Phule Sumbhangi, and Phule Priyanka. Vegetative propagation. The side shoot, lateral, or circles are used as planting material. Time of using these laterals as propagation material depends largely on the purpose of taking advantage of staggered planting or relay cropping. The lateral shoots of 9 to 10 cm are taken from plants, but almost care is required to avoid the cutting from virus-accepted plants, and it is always recommended to sterilize the tools knife being used for making such operations either with bleaching powder or milk powder. Cocoa peat may also be used as rooting media. Seedlings may be transplanted after 15 days later. Harvesting. Harvesting cucumber is ready for the harvesting. Generally, cucumber is ready for harvesting in 30 to 40 days of planting depending upon climatic conditions and crop management practices. Harvesting is done when fruits are more or less cylindrical and well filled and should be carried out in early morning or late evening. The produce should immediately be moved to cool, shaded and ventilized area. As fruits are harvested manually, so these should be clipped or snapped with a slight twist motion and should not be pulled off the vines to minimize pull ends. Fruits keep on developing as the plants grow and reach harvestable stage in 10 to 14 days after flower opening. Disease and pest management. Now I shall discuss some diseases with you. Downy mildew. Symptoms. Disease appears as irregular, numerous small yellow areas surrounded by green tissues scattered all over the leaf lamina. It appears just like indefinite mosaic pattern, particularly in cucumber. Powdery mildew disease appears as a foliar part as white to dull white powdery growth. This white growth quickly covers most of the leaf surface and leads to heavy reduction in photosynthesis. Anthracnose. It is a destructive disease of cucumbers occurring during warm and moist seasons. All above ground plant parts can be affected. Leaf lesions begin as water soaked and then become yellowish circular spots. Some other diseases. Fruit rots, mosaic and leaf distortion. Some of the pests. Fruit fly, red pumpkin beetle, serpentine leaf miner, red spider mite, thrips and root knot nematodes. Physiological disorders. Bitterness, cooked fruit or cooking or curvature, frost or low temperature injury, pillow disorder, and lastly fruit splitting or cracking. Light belly color and mishapen fruits. Post-harvest marketing and storage. There are well-developed cucumber pickle industries are there around the world. Cities like USA, Japan, China have good processing industries for cucumber pickling using brine solution. Rainy season crop or crop damage by summer rains, fruit fly attack fruits should be removed before sending to the market. The crook-necked fruits have less acceptance in market. Cucumber now do not stand much better for long transport, so cucumber have to be sold in nearby urban markets. Cucumber should be placed in baskets and transported. It is being highly perishable, so the involvement of risk and losses is much as cultivation is concentrated near metropolitan cities. Some regions like Multan, Bahawalpur, Rahim Yar Khan and to distant markets, optimum storage temperature cucumber should be about -10 degrees with 85% RH relative humidity can be stored for 10 to 14 days. Chilling injury takes about below -10 degree. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Jazakallah.